In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to convert PDF files into CAD files. So this is helpful when we're working on a project with existing buildings, for example, and we'll need to get the as-built drawings for these buildings, and they're often in multi-page PDF files. So let's open a multi-page PDF file here called counterfacilityplans.pdf. And you'll have to kind of read through this document to determine which page number you should use. For my case, number 12 has the floor plan for building number 5. That's the one I've been working on. So look at the floor plan specifically for the building you'll be working on and use that page number here. Then we hit OK, and once it's open, we're going to change the units for the drawing for the document into inches, and then we're going to save it as a PDF file just in case so we don't lose it. Okay, so that's building 5. And then we're gonna say save. And then we're gonna export it also as a .dwg file. Okay, and set it to be 1 inch equals 1 unit. And try to make it AutoCAD 2007 version. Okay, that's it. We will have another tutorial to bring this file into AutoCAD.